Anyone who thought that print was an industrial process produced by big oily machines should really come to a show like FESPA. I mean, wow, what an amazing, vibrant industry that we're part of. And for Canon's part of this, so the show, we've launched our new Arizona 1300 series with the flow technology to bring new levels of automation to our customers.
I'm absolutely proud to introduce this year the new kit on the block, the Arizona 1300 with flow technology.
It's really great to see the applications, the different range of products that you can use. Really great to see the new approach of Canon at FESPA.
We've brought an update to the new Prisma XL suite with Prisma Elevate, the next level of elevated printing technology working with our Arizona to create textured finishes, high-value applications, and even Braille. And FESPA has been the first European showing publicly of the new Colorado M series. Amazing reaction to this new device that has a modular technology.
Là aujourd'hui, je suis présent à la FESPA pour encore upgrader donc cette avancée technologique à travers une nouvelle Colorado qui va pouvoir nous faire développer d'autres produits et la nouvelle Arizona qui va nous permettre d'accéder un peu à du relief, à des choses extraordinaires comme on a vu sur votre salon.
I'm really also proud that we have been awarded with EDP Award for the best roll-to-roll solution.
In the booth, actually we have a lot of applications here. Print on glass, print on canvas, but also the wallpaper. Let me show you this one. A great effect, actually a neon effect. I want to show you actually the wallpaper you can see on the wall, but also here, which is printed on Colorado M series with white ink.
And our stand has been a real living showcase of applications to inspire into new market areas, such as display and packaging, or interior design, and also retail. We've shown collaborations with businesses like Onyx, with OneVision, and also Fotoba to show our customers and visitors the full end-to-end workflows from preparation to print and through to finishing. Personally, I can't wait to see over these next few months how we've helped them to make it big.